I ordered from Slimanatory about 12 days ago and it finally came. I got one magical clay, some charms. I ordered cherries but these little candy came instead. They are really cute though. I got one clay kit as well. The clay kit came with sprinkles. The slime was super overactivated. I added some glycerin to deactivate it. It is fixed now and super drizzly now. Now it's time to assemble the clay kit. It was super satisfying and I was impressed on how realistic the marshmallows looked. It turned into a fluffy buttery texture.